Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run your requirements.txt with Python on your Windows operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So as you can see in this Python app folder, I have this requirements.txt file, which have these packages listed here. So I want to install NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and request packages, and I have listed them in requirements.txt. And then this is my code which uses those packages. Now, in order to install those packages using requirements.txt, you just need to go to your file explorer and navigate to the directory where you have your project. So I have my project at this location where I have this requirements.txt and the Python script, right? Here you need to open this project in your command prompt or the Windows terminal. To do that, just right click here and then click on show more options, and then you will see this option which says open in terminal. Click on that and then it's going to open this folder path of your project in the command prompt of your Windows operating system. Here you need to write pip install -r and then the name of your requirement.txt, which is requirement.txt in our case. And when you write few letters of requirement, for example req, and then press tab key on your keyboard, it's going to autocomplete the name of the file. So just write pip install -r and then your requirements.txt file, press enter, and then it's going to start installing the packages which are listed in this requirements.txt file. So just wait for this installation to finish, and once that finishes, you can start running your Python script, right? So this is how you can install packages using requirements.txt file on your Windows operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.